Today we will discuss extracting data in Python. We will cover extracting data from various sources such as SQL databases, NoSQL databases, and flat files, as well as extracting data using Python libraries such as Pandas and NumPy. For this scenario, we will need to install PostgreSQL and MongoDB. First, we need to set up MongoDB and PostgreSQL. For details on setting up Postgres and MongoDB, please refer to the PowerPoint. Let's start by setting up MongoDB. First, on the connection screen, we'll leave the default settings. Then, we'll create our database with the name MongoDB and a collection within it. Next, we'll import the data from our CSV source file, sample data, CSV. Now, let's set up Postgres and load data. First, we need to create a database named Python Learn. Then, we create the schema named CSV Input by right-clicking the database option. After that, we create a table named Store Sales by right-clicking the schema option. Finally, we create each column with names such as date, store_location, product_id, product, quantity, price_per_unit, and total_sale_amount under the table option. Then we try import the sample data, CSV file into the store sales table. Right-clicking on Database Python Learn. Then press Create Script. We use the script below copy and replace all then press, remember update, /path/to/sales.csv to your local path. Now, let's start with how we can work with databases using Python code. First, we need to establish a connection to Postgres with Python. You must input the host, database, user, and password accordingly. This information is configured during installation. Then, we will execute the selection query. If the output is displayed in the console as shown, it means the setup of Postgres with Python is successful. Next, we establish a connection to MongoDB with Python. You must input the Mongo client IP, database name, collection accordingly. This information is configured when we set up database. Then, we will execute the find query on store A. If the output is displayed in the console as shown, it means the setup of Postgres with Python is successful. Next, let's see how to import and read a flat file with Python. We need to use Pandas. Read_CSV to read the data from specified path for sample data, CSV. If the output is displayed in the console as shown, it means that the file has been successfully imported and read in Python.